Hi folks, welcome to 16th video of the series, that is counting digits, letters and spaces in a string. First we are importing a regular expression from it is a Python library which is helps to execute program easily. That's why we are importing. Then I am assigning a string Python number 1 programming to the name variable. Then I am going to count the digits from 0 to 9. Then I am going to count the letter and space also. By using the regular expression library, we are counting digits from 0 to 9 and capital and small letter A to Z and space also. Here re dot sub of 0 to 9, it will print the number of digits in this string. Let me print this. Here we have 23 digit count, then 22 letters, then 3 spaces here after Python letter 1, after number and after 1. There are 3 spaces and the letter count is 22 here. You can count it also. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.